A common noun starts with a lowercase letter, like the word book. A proper noun is different. It's a specific person, place, or thing, and starts with a capital letter. Sandy is a specific animal. Her name, Sandy, is a proper noun with a capital S. I get it. Book is a common noun, and my name, Sandy, is a proper noun. A proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are capitalized. Tap each proper noun. Sophie, Park Street, Mexico. Good job! Which one is a proper noun? Sandy. Way to go! A specific name is a proper noun. Which one is a proper noun? Main Street. Way to go! A specific place is a proper noun. Which one is a proper noun? Paul. That's it! A specific name is a proper noun. Drag all of the proper nouns to Rhea. Maine, Bella, China. Good thinking. Drag the proper nouns to Rhea. Drag the common nouns to Sandy. China, Jose, Kim, Egypt, Japan, bride, beach, kid, girl, man. Good work! Find the proper nouns in the sentence. Peck and Olo had a sleepover. Peck, Olo. Great! Find the proper nouns in the sentence. Olo is sledding with Rhea. Olo, Rhea. Great job!